Welcome to 138 Raddlebarn Road. Ground floor bedroom, lovely and bright. All bedrooms have double beds, wardrobes, chest of drawers, desks, etc. And we go into the downstairs open plan area. Plenty of space here, big room, seating for 8, as well as TV, tables, lamp, all the stuff you need. And then we've got a big kitchen area with loads of breakfast bar space, double bowl sink, dishwasher, washing machine, etc. 2 ovens, 2 lots of freezers, one over there, one over there. And then outside, got a nice big garden with a bench at the back and bicycle locks. We've got a downstairs shower room here, and additional shower room walking past here. And then we have the back bedroom, again, desk, chair, bed, chest of drawers, wardrobes, etc. Nice view onto the garden. As we head up the stairs, plenty of nice artwork on the wall, nice fresh carpets everywhere. We've got a bedroom at the back of the house. Again, all the stuff you need, double bed, desk. We've got wardrobe, we've got chest of drawers, nice view onto the garden. And then we progress into shower room, toilet, sink, and shower, etc. Again, everything you should need. And then we've got another bedroom here. This bedroom back straight onto the garden. And again, as with all the bedrooms, all the stuff you should need to carry out your lives. There are 2 bedrooms here and some storage, but guys in there are asleep, so I'm carrying on up the stairs to 2 final bedrooms on the top floor. So one of my favourite bedrooms here. This one's got, again, all the stuff you need, but it's nice and sort of vaulted ceilings, loads of space, nice and light and bright. Then we've got a same thing here, so loads of window space, letting in lots of light. You've got desk, wardrobe, chest of drawers, bedside table, bed, and then next door to it, an additional shower room here. So yeah, hope you've had the opportunity to see everything that you need.